Unlock the secrets of the mind with these 10 simple psychological tricks that work like magic. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, improve your relationships, or influence others in subtle yet powerful ways, these tips are sure to help. From body language hacks to ways to make a lasting impression, each trick is easy to implement and can have a significant impact on your daily life. Don't miss out, watch now and start applying these techniques to see instant result. Right pointing backhand index. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on psychology, self-improvement, and life hack. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. 1. The magic of smiling. Smiling not only improves your emotional state but also helps strengthen relationships with others. Smiling a few times a day can elevate your mood and spread positivity. 2. Importance of sleep. Good sleep is essential for brain performance. Lack of sleep can lead to stress and memory loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night to keep your brain refreshed. 3. Power of water. The brain is composed of about 75% water, so dehydration can negatively affect brain function. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps improve concentration and focus. 4. Mental rest. Constant work can exhaust the brain, making it crucial to take breaks. Taking a 5 to 10 minute break every hour can rejuvenate your mental energy and boost productivity. 5. Power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is highly beneficial for brain development. Avoid negative thoughts and focus on positive aspects of life to bring more happiness and peace into your daily routine. 6. Impact of music. Listening to soft and soothing music reduces stress and enhances brain performance. Incorporate music into your daily routine to create a calming environment. 7. Memory practice. Improve your memory by trying to remember something new every day, like new words or a quote. This keeps your brain active and sharp. 8. Importance of physical activity. Regular physical activity is beneficial for the brain as well. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain and helps prepare brain cells to face new challenges. 9. Self-talk. Sometimes talking to yourself can help organize your thoughts and find solutions to problems. Encourage yourself with positive messages and affirmations. 10. Setting a purpose. Having a clear purpose in life gives your brain direction. When you have a specific goal, your mental energy and focus increase, helping you achieve more.